So introducing everybody, the world's best streaming stick in the land, the Roku streaming stick. And it's the best wireless that goes to the distance to like insane amounts, the most insane amounts ever, which is sheesh, it's the most powerful and portable long-range wireless streaming stick, which is absolutely amazing. And it's really simple. If you guys got the basement rec room or like backyard movie night, bring him on. Just bring him on, because this long-range receiver gives you the best extended range and the strong signal for the smooth streaming experience, even in the rooms farther from your router. How cool is that? That is a super amazing and handy feature to have. Like this product, wow. It's really amazing. Now I know why people love Roku. It's really amazing. Plus, it's like, it's great for high performance portability, and you can just put it. It's really small. You can just put it in your bag and just go away with it somewhere, or like your friend's home. You guys want to access Roku there, watch your favorite shows, you can put it. Just slide the HDMI in there, this device right over here, and you can use the remote then. And it's supposed the TV is farther from your router as well, which is like even so far away from your routers, but it's still gonna give you the best 4K HDR experience ever. So how cool is that, right? Plus, it delivers the brilliant picture quality. What I mean by that, you guys can experience your favorite shows. Yes, you heard me right. You can experience your favorite shows with the stunning detail and the clarity. Whether you're streaming in HD or in 4K or even in HDR, you'll enjoy the picture quality that's optimized for your TV with the sharp resolution and vivid colors. Amazing, right? That's the most amazing thing ever. Like, wow. That blows my mind. Like, how cool is it? Plus, guys, look at it. It got the separate buttons for Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Sling. Like, what else you want, dude? Bruh, that's so nice. You don't need to scroll on the TV with the thing. You just hit the button, it's gonna open the Netflix app. Wow, that's the most amazing thing. You guys can plug it on the TV at the back of it, right there. According to Diamond, it plugs into the HDMI port, easy to hide device, the power cord behind the TV. So it's really easy to hide. And it comes with the DC as well. So you guys can easily stay tidy and neat and clean, basically. That's what they mean to say. And the best about this, you guys can enjoy a 30-day free trial with this thing. I love it. Plus, you guys can enjoy the #1 America's TV streaming platforms with this, whether it's Netflix, Disney Plus, Prime Video, HBO Max, Peacock, Roku channel, Apple TV, all of it, all your favorite shows, everything. It offers a ton of power, ton of fun, snappy, responsive. You'll stream your favorites with ease, from movies and series on Apple TV, Disney Plus, Prime Video, Netflix, Roku channel, HBO, to cable alternatives like Sling and Hulu with the live TV. Enjoy the most talked about TV across thousands of channels. How cool is that, right? That's the most amazing thing ever. Like, wow. And this is what you guys get inside the box. The Roku streaming stick that plugs into your behind the TV. You get the USB power cable that also plugs into this little pen drive thingy right there. Comes with a power adapter, USB extender if you guys want a little bit longer cable, 2 AAA Duracell batteries for the remote. Plus, you guys, no need to juggle up the remotes, with the thing. Let me explain how. Because this remote gives you the power to, the power in your hands to actually adjust the volume, mute, control your all streaming platforms with one remote, use your voice quickly, and search across the channels. How amazing is that, right? Turn the captions on and much more with a single touch. This is the amazing thing ever. Like, look at this remote. It got the separate buttons for the thing. Like, that's a voice control button and search button right there. Instant replay. You guys can get instant replays. That's the options. Mute on the side. Turn TV off. Separate buttons for each platform. Sheesh. I'm really in love with this thing. It comes with the popular assistants, the voice assistants. You guys can say, hey, Susie, play jazz on the living room. You guys can read the word, right? I'm not saying intentionally, so it don't trigger your devices up. But still, it's supposed all of them, all top-notch voice assistants, whether it's Susie 2.0 from Amazon or Susie 3.0 from Google. It works with every one of them. Amazing, right? It's just really amazing. This is the favorite streamer overall stick. You know, the streaming stick, the best. It got the editor choice award. What else you want? It's DAW certified by CNET. Comes with the Apple TV as well.